For this look, it only cost me about $11 and some change. This is all you need, really. And they only had 20 volume developers, so that's what I used.
Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turn to soil.
You looking for a toothpaste consistency. You don't want nothing that's too thin that's gonna run through the knots and bleach your actual hair. So make sure it's gumpy. A good rule of thumb is to use less because less is more. You can always add, but you can never subtract the product, so you might as well add it.
Still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on just anybody. Yeah, I got
This is straight out the pack. This video is not sponsored. I say that 50 more times throughout the video, and I don't care because I pay my real money for this. So I'm gonna give you a real review. This ain't even no hair review. The wig's small. Let's be for real. If you got and I don't even want to say a big head because like what's a big head for real? But like it didn't fit my head. I told them and they was like next time just put big cap. So I guess if y'all finna buy this wig and you know your head is not whatever size this is, look at that, G. But put big cap on the product detail when you buy it because I had to cut the back of the lace away from the wig and like I know if I don't take care of it for real, the lace is gonna rip right from right there where that line meet. That thing gonna come right off. It's really nice though. The lace is really transparent. With the ball cap method, it looked like skin. Like it'll really get skin if you lay it right. So overall, and this is my first HD deep wave wig. This is Jerry curl, it say on the description, but this is my first one, so like I'm gonna honestly give it a 7 out of 10 if we being honest. Yeah, the lace saved it. Like the hair itself and like the sizing of the cap was it kind of blew me a little bit, but I mean I can work with it. You get what you pay for, you know. $250 may not be a lot to you, but to me, shit, that's a lot of money. But yeah, right now I'm just going into the wig with some glue because I don't want that color bleeding. I hate when I'm bleaching my knots and like the consistency of my mixture too soupy and it seep right through. Now I got blonde roots. Come on, it don't even look right, bro. And put your gloves on. Why I burned my finger was like, how I do that? Because I was starting and didn't even put my gloves on. Clown. But honestly, you just slather it all over the lace and let it sit there. That's really how you do it. I promise y'all it's not hard. Just watch this.
Claps.
Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you.
Wonder why your girl always wonder why your girl, yeah.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.